Kadachat-kalindi tathavipina Sangita-karavo Mudapiri-nari vadana-kama lasvada-madhupa Rama-shambhu-brahma-marapati-ganesha-chita-pado Jagannatha-swami-nayana-patagami bhavatu me Jagannatha-swami-nayana-patagami bhavatu me Bhuje savye venum sirasi siki picham katitate Dukhulam netrante sahachari sataksham vidatate Sada Srimad Vrindavanavasati Lila Parichayo Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami bhavatu me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami bhavatu me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami bhavatu me Maham bodesthire kanakaruchire nilasikare Vasan prasadanta sahaja bala padri nabalina Subhadra madhyasta sakala sura seva vasarado Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami bhavatu me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami bhavatu me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami bhavatu me Kripa paravara sajala jala dasre muruchiro Ramavani Ramaspuraramala Panke Ruhamukha Surendra Radya Sruti Ganasika Gita Charito Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Ratha Rudho Gachan Pati Milita Bhudeva Patalai Stuti Pradhur Bhavam Pratipadamupakanya Sadaya Daya Sindur Bandhu Sakala Jagatam Sindhu Sudaya Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Param Brahma Pidaku Valaya Dato Pulanayano Nivasini Ladro Nihita Charano Nandasirasi Rasa Nandi Radha Rasa Vapur Alingana Sukho Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me Navaya Cherajam Nachakana Kamanikya Vibhavam Nayacheham Ramyam Sakala Janakam Yam Varavadu Sada Kale Kale Brahmata Patina Gita Charito Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Haratvam samsaram drutataramsaram surapate. Haratvam papanam vitati maparam yadavapate. Aho dine nate mihita charano nishchitamidam. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Kadacha kalindi tatavi bina sangita karavo. Mudabhiri nari vatana kamala swada madhupa.
Mudabhiri nari vatana kamala swada madhupa.
Rama Sambhu Brahma Marapati Ganesha Chitapado. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me.
Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu me. Lord Jagannath sometimes makes the melodious sounds of playing music and singing throughout the groves on the banks of the Kalindi river. He is like a bumblebee experiencing great delight while tasting the nectar of the lotus-like faces of the cowherd damsels. His lotus feet are worshipped by great personalities such as Lakshmi, Shiva, Brahma, Indra, and Ganesh. May the Lord of the universe kindly become visible unto me. In his left hand he holds a flute. Upon his head is a peacock feather, and around his hips is a fine silken cloth. From the corner of his eyes he casts sidelong glances upon his loving companions. He is most fond of the pastimes he conducts while living in Sri Vrindavan. May that Lord of the universe kindly become visible unto me. On the shore of the great ocean is a large palace that glows with the effulgence of solid gold, and is topped by a towering temple spire that appears like a blue sapphire mountain. Residing therein, along with his mighty brother Balabhadra, and in between them his sister Subhadra, Lord Jagannath bestows opportunity for all godly souls to render various devotional services. May that Lord of the universe kindly become visible unto me. He is a fathomless ocean of causeless mercy, and his beautiful complexion is like a cluster of blackish rain clouds. He derives great pleasure by hearing the words of affectionate chastisement from his beloved goddess Lakshmi. His face is like a fully blown, spotless lotus flower. He is worshipped by the best of demigods and sages, and his character and activities are glorified in song by the topmost personified Upanishads. May that Lord of the universe kindly become visible unto me. As the Lord mounts his Ratha Yatra cart and parades along the road, there is a constant accompaniment of loud prayers and songs chanted by large assemblies of saintly Brahmins. Hearing their hymns, Lord Jagannath is favorably disposed toward them. He is an ocean of mercy, and he is the true friend of all the worlds. May that Lord of the universe, along with his consort Lakshmi, who was born from the ocean of nectar, kindly become visible unto me. He is the ornament adorning the head of Parabrahma, the supreme spiritual reality. His eyes are like the blossom petals of a blue lotus flower, and he resides in the Nilachala temple that resembles a sapphire hill. His lotus feet are placed upon the heads of Lord Anantadev. He is overwhelmed by the flow of transcendental loving mellows, and he becomes happy only by embracing the divine form of Srimati Radharani. May that Lord of the universe kindly become visible unto me. I certainly do not pray for a kingdom, nor gold, rubies, and wealth. I do not ask for an excellent and beautiful wife, which is a possession desired by all ordinary men. I simply pray for the Lord of the universe, whose glories are sung by Lord Shiva from age to age, to kindly become visible unto me. O Lord of the demigods, please quickly take away this useless material existence that I am undergoing. O Lord of the Yadus, please destroy the boundless accumulation of my sinful reactions. It is certain that Lord Jagannath bestows his lotus feet upon those who feel themselves humble and helpless. May that Lord of the universe kindly become visible unto me. The soul of that self-restrained and virtuous person who recites these 8 verses glorifying Lord Jagannath becomes cleansed of all sins and duly proceeds to Lord Vishnu's abode.